Is your car acting up, stuttering, stalling, or chugging its way down the road? It might not be a major engine issue, but a tiny little sensor called the map sensor could be the culprit. In this video, we'll dive into the symptoms of a bad map sensor and what you can do about it. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving under the hood to talk about something that can really mess with your car's performance: the map sensor. If your vehicle's been acting up, this tiny sensor might just be the culprit. Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. First things first, the map sensor, or Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, measures the air pressure inside the intake manifold. It's critical for determining the right air-fuel mixture for your engine. When it goes bad, things can go haywire. So, let's go through the 5 common symptoms of a failing map sensor. Number 1. Symptom: per engine performance. If your car is struggling to accelerate, stalling, or idling rough, it could be a bad map sensor sending inaccurate data to the engine control unit. Number 2. Symptom: check engine light. Next up, the dreaded check engine light. While this light can mean many things, a faulty map sensor is one of the common triggers. A quick diagnostic scan can confirm if the map sensor is to blame. Number 3. Symptom: black smoke from exhaust. Black smoke from the exhaust. A bad map sensor can lead to an overly rich air-fuel mixture, causing unburned fuel to exit the exhaust as black smoke. This isn't just bad for your car, it's bad for the environment, too. Number 4. Causes of a bad map sensor. Now that you know the symptoms, let's quickly go over what causes a map sensor to fail. Common issues include dirt and debris buildup, exposure to excessive heat, or electrical problems like damaged wiring. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent these problems. Number 5. Test a map sensor. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you can test your map sensor at home. Using a multimeter, you can check the voltage or resistance to ensure it's functioning properly. Consult your vehicle's manual for the specific readings you should expect. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.